Hello guys, it's me, Adrian, your technology teacher. I'd like to do an introduction to Sketchup. Sketchup is the software that we are gonna use for technical drawing and graphic design. So we'll go to Google and we'll type Sketchup inline, no, sorry, Sketchup online, okay? We'll click in first link, then it's in Spanish, should be in English, okay? Doesn't matter. Productos, crear, SketchUp for web. Okay, it's gonna be free. Start modeling, and then we'll sign in with Google. Okay, all of you've got your Gmail account, so you are gonna log with your Gmail account. Okay, it's automatically. Okay, it takes a while, something like about 10 seconds. Let's see how long does it take. I hope it is sounds good enough. Okay, we'll create a new sample and we're gonna use millimeters. Okay, millimeters. Let's see if it works. It's not working. Nope. Okay, took a while. If you made a mistake and you were using like American units, like inches, you may change it here in information. Here, formato, you may change units between millimeters, centimeters, meters, and inches. That in Spanish is pulgadas. We're gonna use millimeters, and the accuracy, la precisión, it's gonna be 0.0. Okay, that's good enough. Oops, I've got here the recording box, so I can't close this tab. Let's see if I can move it. No, I can't. Okay. First of all, how to change the point of view? We're gonna use orbitar. Okay. What I'm gonna do in this video is show you how to use this program and every of the tools. Okay. With orbitar, we may change the point of view. Okay. Once I select it, I may click in the left button of the mouse, and then I can change the point of view. Okay, in this case, we can't move this lady, but if we do, for example, a figure, just like that one, I'm gonna do it fast, okay? Something like this. Oh. Okay, you see how we may change the point of view. Now we can make it bigger. It's not working properly. I don't know what's going on. Okay, let's erase it again. That's it. Erased. Let's do, for example, a polygon of 6 sides. So, for example, it's an hexagon, something like this. Okay, let's give it some height. Okay, perfect. We were using the orbitar tool. Once I select it, click the left button of the mouse, and then you see that we can change the point of view. Okay. If we want to move it all along the screen, we should just select this hand. This tool is called move in English, I guess. In Spanish it is desplazar. Once I select it, I click with the left button of the mouse, and then I can move all along the screen. Okay, let's change the point of view once again. If I want to zoom it, I may do it with the wheel of the mouse. Okay, if I press the wheel of the mouse, I may get closer or even farther. Okay, if this is gonna get closer to the point where the mouse is, okay, where the pointer of the mouse is. For example, if my pointer is here and I move the wheel, it is getting closer to this point. You're gonna see it right now. Okay, I'm going farther again. If I get closer to our figure, it is getting closer to our figure. Okay, does it make sense? Perfect. We already know how to use this tool, because the zoom, we're gonna do it with the wheel of the mouse. We don't need see the more in the center. What do we have here? Caminar, situar cámara, girar. We're not gonna use this tool. Okay, for example, this tool, maybe where the meter is, we may use it, this meter, just to, you're gonna see here, okay, in this box, you're gonna see the dimension. If I do click in the first point, then to this point there are like 1222 millimeters. But if I do click with the left button of the mouse, it is gonna erase. Okay, you're gonna see it. Okay, once I move the mouse, it erases. From this point to that point, we've got, for example, 2440 millimeters. Okay, to the center, 1220. Why may we select it? Imagine that we won't go to the middle point. Once I do click, this point is gonna be like marked. I may use it as a point of reference to do another line. For example, starting a line from here. Okay, do another one here, and then let's make it. This tool is not working. I don't know right now. Okay, my computer is not working properly. If we change the point of view with the orbiter, we may realize that we have drawn a little piece of cheese, isn't it? Okay, let's remove it with Ctrl-0. What else may we see here? Okay, let's erase this line and this line. Okay, if we use the meter again, imagine that we wanna start a line from here, so we may use it as a point of reference. No, because it's not gonna be in the same plane. Okay, another thing you need to know, talking about the planes, the axis, is that once we are drawing a line, for example, or an object, if I do click here, if my line it is in the red axis, it means that my line is parallel to this axis. Okay, if I do now another line, for example from here, if it is in blue color, this line is going to be parallel to this axis. Okay, but if my line it is not in blue color, this is not parallel. Same for green axis. Okay, we may see it here if we change the point of view. Okay, parallel to this axis, parallel to these edges, that one and that one. This one is not parallel because remember that this line wasn't in any color, just black, and then this line is parallel to the green edges. Okay, perfect. What else may we do? Imagine that we are doing the dimensioning. Okay, remember that dimensioning is writing down the measures in our figure. Okay, we are just gonna use this tool. Okay, the acotaciones one with the number 3. Okay, I select first point and then second point, then I just have the measure. Okay, 1220. If I want to do the dimensioning of this line, for example, the height of the figure, it is the same, 1220 millimeters. Okay, so we know how to do the dimensioning right now. There we have it. Texto, just in case we wanna write down something. This is an introduction. Okay, why not? There we have our text. Plano de sección. In this case, we may cut our figure here or do another one. Here in the horizontal edges. Okay, I don't think we used that many times. We don't need these tools. Let's continue. Mover, rotar. If we use the mover tool and select one figure, wait a moment, we're gonna erase everything. Okay, and erase everything, start from the beginning. Okay, there we have it. Let's draw now a polygon of, instead of 6 sides, if I write down 8 and press enter, this is gonna change. I'm gonna 8 sides polygon right now, and we may change the radio, circumscript radio. Okay, that one, for example. We were in the move option, isn't it? Once I got the move, and then I select Alt, yeah, with the Alt key pressed, and then I have to press the left button of my mouse, we may move figures. Okay. On the other hand, if we press Control key and at the same time we press the left button of the mouse, we may duplicate objects just like that. Okay, you know how to do it right now. Okay, we may do it as many times as we want. So see the difference. Control plus left button of the mouse. On the other hand, Alt plus left button of the mouse, it's gonna move, or it's taking the whole object. Okay, repeat it again. Control plus left button of the mouse, Alt plus left button of the mouse. Okay, perfect. We already know how to use this tool again. Let's erase all of this. That one we may erase all, and then learn how to use another different tool. Okay, perfect. Here, what is this? Looks like nothing. That one is important, empujar. You are already watching that I use it to give volume to our figures. Mind that we want to draw right now a circle with a radius of, you see that it is 2440. Imagine that I want the radius is 1000 millimeters. I just have to type it with my keyboard and press enter. There we have. If we press here, empujar, estirar, that one, empujar, estirar, select my object, click with the left button of the mouse, and then if I press enter right now, the height of my object, it would be 7320. But imagine that I want that our object, it is 3000 millimeters height. I just need to press with the keyboard the height that I want, 3000, and then without moving the mouse, press enter. There we have it, 3000. Let's check it. If I measure it right now, the tool measure is here. Diameter it is 2000, okay. And then can I measure the height? No. I can do it right now. Let's see. Let's erase it. Okay, we don't need the diameter. Maybe I can't because it always takes the diameter. Yeah, no, it's taking the diameter, but okay. Let's do it instead of with a circle. Let's do it with a square. Imagine that we want to draw a square of 5000 per 1000 or 2000, for example. I write 5000, comma 2000. There we have it. Let's do the dimensioning. This tool. Okay, first point, second point, 5000. First point, second point, 2000. There we have it. It's working, isn't it? Then imagine that we want that this figure it is 3000 millimeters high. 3000, then press enter without moving the mouse. 3000. Let's check it. First point, second point, 3000. There you see. What else? Mind that we wanna draw a rectangle. If we want, it is a square. Imagine 4000 per 4000, 400, comma 4000. Then press enter. Let's check it. First point, second point, 4000. First point, second point, 4000. It doesn't look like it is a square, but it is because of the point of view. Okay, we change the point of view. You can realize that it is exactly a square. Okay. What else? We are in. Oops. We are in this tool. No, sorry, in that one. We know how to do rectangles. Rectangular data, we don't need it. Círculo. We've already done several cycles. Imagine our radius needs to be 500, then press enter. Perfect. What else? Polygon. Once you select it, if you want to change the number of sides, then you just need to write down the number. Imagine 3 sides. Press enter, and there we have it. Once we make click, we can do it as big as we want. For example, like this. Why not? We wanna give it some height. We can do it. We may write our name in (3D), for example, and then we may choose kind of letter. Okay, technology teacher. Let's do it here. Okay. We can do arches. The tool that we are gonna use the most, it is 2 points arch. Mind that we wanna do here first point, second point, and then curvatura. We may select it with the mouse, or we may select it with writing down the number that we want. Look at the difference. If the line is green, it means that it is okay. Blue line means that it is parallel to the blue edges. On the other hand, if I run another one, which is green line, it is the other edges. Let's check it with my you see it that there are two arches in two different edges. Okay, look it again. First point, second point, the arch may be in these edges or also in that one. Okay, you see that there are different edges. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? Apart from this, we may draw with our pencil. In mind that we wanna draw a figure which is 4,000, 1,000. This is parallel to the axis because it is green. 1,000. And now imagine this angle like this presenter. Okay, we may draw whatever we want. Okay, kind of figure that we like the most. Perfect. Then I'll close it. Okay, something happened here. You see that the figure, it is not color. Why do you think is that? It is because lines, even though we think that they are in the same plane, they are not in this drawing. Have a look. Okay, so the figure can't be closed because it is like amorphous. If I want to do a figure, it should be in the edges. For example, something like this. All of these lines are in the same edges, like in the same plane, sorry. There we have it. And now we may to give height to the same figure, or we may also keep drawing inside lines. For example, something like this, and something like this, and then let's do a circle, why not? Here. Let's check if they are in the same plane. It looks like. So we may give height to this and to this. And now I should have a hole, okay? Yes. No, I can't erase it. Hey, this one it doesn't have. It is not close. We should maybe. Oops. From this point to this point, okay. It is closed right now. Then we have our figure. The point is that we've got this side here. Can erase it? Okay, doesn't matter. Imagine that we wanna now do this side higher. We may do it with the same tool. Okay, there we have it. What else? We know how to do the pencil. Okay, we may pintar. We may use simple colors, like for example purple, wherever we want, but we may also use special materials, okay? Like for example, we may our draw looks like concrete or bricks, this kind of bricks, or looks like alfombras, carpets, simple colors like red, whatever. We may change colors for the primary views, for the front, top, and left position, just for exercise when we have to draw figures. That way you can have a help to draw your primary views. We made it looks like a mirror or metal, just like grass, just like water, to draw a swimming pool, just like wood, or whatever. Okay, there are several different materials that you may choose. Okay, what else? We are about to finish the video. Last thing I want you to know, it is how to change the point of view. This view is for the front view. Okay, everything that we've drawn, front view, lateral view, another lateral view, plant view, like the overhead view, left view, right view. Okay, let's imagine that let's erase everything. Okay, it is better. Let me use the overhead view. Let's move our drawing a little bit and let's erase everything. Okay, I'm erasing. If I keep the left button of the mouse pressed while I move our mouse all along this screen, I may erase everything, okay? That's what I'm doing right now. Takes a while, should be a faster way to erase, but I'm just doing this way, which is slow, as you can realize. Okay, I've erased everything. So imagine that I wanna start drawing in the overhead view, okay? And let's draw something easy, okay? What could I do, for example? Let's draw this and let's give it some, oops, what is wrong here? Let me change the point of view. Okay. No, I can't take this part. Why this part is not color? It should be color right now. Okay. So a little bit, a little bit else, and hey, okay, there we have it. Let's erase this line and this line. Okay, imagine that we wanna watch it in overhead view. Yes, makes sense. Left view, right view, front view. Oops, the point is that the front is the bottom view because I started to draw in the opposite direction of the axis, okay? But usually here we use, oh no, sorry, that one is the front, should be, yes. What else? If we want to change, imagine we may draw it in different colors for, imagine, bricks for the front view, and what else? Green for the overhead view. Example, green, green, green. And then for the left view, we may draw it in pink, for example. Okay. Let's erase this draw. So let's see. Front, plant or overhead, and then left view. There we have it. We may also change it with this camera. Plant, front, left view, right view. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is an introduction for Sketchup, the software we are gonna use, main software we are gonna use this year for technical drawing. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Leave me your comments, subscribe. See you in class.